Today we're doing a tutorial on how to fix your flicker. It's going to be helpful. So you've got different sizes for the green or for the little blue. Hold on, let me just put these. So let's start off with the green. So the green one, take a look at the bolt size. It's not massive, but it's fairly big. See that little cog there? We fit the Allen key into that, so we need a size 5 Allen key, usually. And look, to put it in, and just, fuck. You just twist it. This one's already tightened, so it's all good. This side, however, is a little bit loose. Tighten that up. So look, that's nice and tight now. And then if we go over to the blue one, over here. Oh yeah, by the way, so this is all you need to do, is just get an Allen key and just tighten up your flicker. If you ever hear like a sort of a breaking sound or something, or yeah? So you stick this in, so look, just a little bit undone, so that's all tight. Oh, it's a nice day today, isn't it? Look at that thing. Right, do the same for the other side. This one's already tightened up, I can tell. So yeah guys, that is how you tighten up your flicker. See